This is for me and my family and other families out here, and my sister. It's about um, what it says on here on today's calendar. Bridge over troubled waters. Simon, 1970. Bridge over troubled waters is a full anthem that emerged from a mix of personal irrespective in the tremulous times of the late 1960s. Paul Simon, who wrote the song through inspiration from gospel music, particularly the comforting qualities of spiritualities that offer solitude and support during hardship. He felt an urge to create a song that embodied a deep sense of empathy, like a friend offering unwavering support. The song's moving melody, enhanced by Art Gargriff soaring vocals, creates a sense of emotional uplift, making an enduring message of comfort and hope for anyone going through the rough path. It's from this calendar I'm reading. And it's for me to feel uplift, so it's for everyone who needs a message. It's for uplifting for my family and my sister. And did the best I can of reading this to y'all. I try to sound out the words best I could. The words that I read. You get a lot out of it that I read to y'all. Now back to enjoying the woods. Here's the ramen. Best part. Just clearing my throat. I didn't mean to cough. I still have it. Reading kind of helped. Mom read it to me and whoever wants to hear it. I read it to all of you on this video. I did. God bless this family. God bless me. God bless my mom. And God bless my dad. And bless everybody. And our dog. And our 2 cats. Bless them too. Okay. See you later.